That one. Just sunk the video.
Oh, nice. I like that.
Sunk it.
I like that. You sunk it like the Titanic.
We don't need that. Alex, we're not in the Colt.
No, we're in the B2 VTS.
Is that literally? So there's a funny story about this car. Obviously it's made by Citroën, but it was initially conceived in a video game called BeamNG. It's called the Citroën VTS.
Yeah.
I'll put the B2.
I'm pretty sure.
I'll put the video footage up on the screen. And Citroën saw that and was like, we need a car like that.
They absolutely piked it.
So they actually
turn around.
took the design
We're gonna go on a little
of the B2 and turned it into what is now the C2. So they thought if we add a letter, if we make the letter one higher, we'll make the car
one better.
So they called it the C2. And now we have the C2. It's called the Citroën C2 VTS. So Alex, why did you buy the B2?
Right, okay. Long story short, you know that old Mitsubishi thing that I had here? Project Koruto. Yeah, sort of wrapped it around a wall at 40 mile an hour, which was interesting. We could drop a picture in there now.
Yeah, it wasn't in great shape.
No, she wasn't in supreme health. Still ran though. But yeah, so it left me in a bit of a pickle. I went to go see this in the middle of the old storm.
It was mental at the time.
Yeah, it was absolutely tipping it down.
There's another B2.
Hey, and he's got a private plate. Went to look at this in the middle of a fucking storm. Turned out to be in way worse shape than I initially thought. I was like, oh wow, this is pretty clean, pretty good miles, pretty good service history. One old guy owned it before the guy bought off. Right, she's a bit of a junker, but hilarious to drive. Absolutely hilarious. Lithuania. This car is too crappy to do anything major with or to sell. Like, it's just not worth it. Too good to throw away, realistically. Like, I don't want to scrap another VTS. Like, too many of these have gone to the crush. So, new car inbound after this one. Big surprise there, shocker. And then this one's going to be like a little bit of a track toy. We're going to take it on some adventures. That'd be pretty good. I mean, I can think of a few places, and I'm pretty sure with that sweet planning skill that we've got of just being a bit OCD about what we're actually doing. In theory, not necessarily in practice.
Don't want to go to Devon.
I think we can make it to
Somerset. Somerset, maybe?
I think we can make it down to Zants.
Maybe we go down instead of up.
Very weird. But yeah, so this is the Citroën C2. Probably going to cut to some zesty fucking outside shots of it at some point. Because I know we have some lying around somewhere from when I got it.
Yeah.
And it was raining.
Yeah, I remember that. And we'll probably get some more on the phone or something.
Yeah, like, you know. But yeah, this is the car.
Move for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose